Need a compact motor driver for one DC motor? This is the MD13S, a 13-amp DC motor driver from Cytron. It is built for simple speed and direction control in DC motor projects. With a single motor output channel, the MD13S is designed for projects that only need to drive a single brushed DC motor. It supports motor voltages from 6 to 30 volts, making it suitable for many battery-powered motor applications. It can handle up to 13 amps continuously, with peak current up to 30 amps for short bursts. The fully in-MOS H-bridge design helps improve efficiency while keeping the board compact. For quick checking, the onboard test buttons let you run the motor directly from the driver. Press one side for one direction and the other side to reverse the motor. This makes it easy to verify your motor, wiring, and power before moving into the full project setup. Status indicators also help you check the driver condition during operation. For single DC motor projects, the MD13S gives you a simple, compact, and reliable motor driving solution. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.